How to log in Telegram on browser. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can log into Telegram on your browser, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to actually log into Telegram on your browser, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now you can see I'm logged in from the app, but what if I want to log in from my browser? For that, just open your browser and just come to web.telegram.org. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. When you come to web.telegram.org, just make sure to enter your phone number over here. Once you enter your phone number, just make sure to tap the next option over here. Once you tap the next option, it's going to send a verification code to your Telegram account here. So once it sends a verification code over here, I'll also go ahead and then copy the code, and then I'll enter the code here. And once done, it'll ask me to enter my password. So let me go ahead and then do that as well. Once I do that, I need to tap the next option again, and after that you can see I'll be successfully logged into Telegram on my browser, which is web.telegram.org. This way you will be able to log into Telegram on browser. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.